I hope you guys are doing fine. I know बहुत time हो गया since I did a eye recommend. So here I am. Today I'm going to talk about products to do with your teeth, your cleaning your, basically oral care like teeth and tongue and all of that. So it's been about करीब 3 साल हो गए हैं, 3 से ज़्यादा साल हो गए हैं कि मैंने I have shifted to using organic toothpaste and organic tooth powders actually. ज़्यादातर organic जो चीज़ें आती हैं to clean your teeth, they come in powder form. कुछ toothpaste भी हैं, but I'm not too much into them. So I use mostly powders, and there are different ways of using these powders. So first, one of the first products, obviously I don't have the, I finished it quite some time back. It's from Raw Beauty. It's a brand called Raw Beauty, which I'm going to tag obviously. उनका powder है called Chamkila, and I really like that powder. And it comes in a glass bottle. I don't know pricing वगैरह क्या है, but very good, very effective, and I would highly recommend it. Another one that I have recently started using is I have that. It's Bare Necessities का. It's called the charcoal powder. Activated. It's called the charcoal powder. इसमें basically activated charcoal है. So this also is very good. And there's another brand called Natur. उनका भी tooth powder आता है, which is also very good. Now there are different ways of using them. जैसा मैंने आपसे कहा, तो you can figure out with the brands, or you can ask कैसे यूज करना है, क्या करना है. चमकीला जो रॉ ब्यूटी का है उसमें चारकोल नहीं है, एंड आई पर्सनली like to use activated charcoal in my tooth powder or toothpaste or whatever. So अलग से भी आते हैं charcoal powders, pure charcoal powders, and I mix that in Raw Beauty and I use it. And इसमें already charcoal है, and Natur also doesn't have activated charcoal in their tooth powder, but maybe they have changed, and maybe added that, so you can figure that out. But these 3 brands I would highly recommend. Now, couple of things. See, so every time you use something organic, which is basically in powder form, आपको सिर्फ अपने दांत नहीं, आपको वॉश बेसिन भी साफ करना पड़ेगा, because it becomes quite crazy. So you have to make sure that you are somebody who's up to cleaning the basins along with your teeth. Otherwise आपको बहुत गाली पड़ने वाली है सभी फैमिली मेंबर्स से. सो वो जरूर करिएगा. ऑल्सो बिकॉज इट्स इन पाउडर फॉर्म, क्या होता है जब आप इसको अपने आप में यूज करते हैं तो ये ना आपके वो जो छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स हैं इसके पाउडर के, वो आपके दांतों के बीच में आजू बाजू में चिपक जाते हैं. सो व्हाट आई डू इज आई यूज लाइक अ toothpaste sometimes, not sometimes, I use very little of, I'm using Miswak currently, lekin there's something called Benzonite, I think, which is a proper organic toothpaste which you can probably try. It's Benzonite. And so basically आपने इससे clean किया, आपने brush गीला किया, इसमें से powder लिया, brush किया, and then जो भी बच गया, last bit you could probably use those toothpaste a little bit and just clean all of that up. And of course don't forget to floss, क्योंकि ये छोटे छोटे जो पार्टिकल्स हैं वो दांतों के बीच में जाके भी अटक जाते हैं. सो फ्लॉसिंग इज समथिंग जो आपको एनीवे करनी चाहिए, और आई हाईली रेकमेंड इट. I started doing it like I think about 5-6 years back, and I really recommend it. Please करिएगा. And also there is this peppermint party from Bare Necessities again. So this is a very basic toothpaste. It adds a lot of freshness to your mouth because it's got peppermint and all of that. It's called baking soda, organic coconut oil, organic peppermint essential oil. So it's very freshening. In terms of cleaning up, I do not prefer it as much, but I do like the last bit. I do it with this ताकि वो एकदम freshness आ जाए. So all these things for you guys, and I really recommend this tongue cleaner, which is from Bare Necessities again. And I personally feel it's tough to kind of find a tongue cleaner that really works for you, that does its job very nicely. And I was using a plastic one which really worked for me forever till like 2 months back, because it just it just worked for me, you know what I mean? And now that is replaced by this, because I was looking at replacing it, but I was not finding something जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगे. And this is, I really recommend it from Bare Necessities again. Also, Bare Necessities has these toothbrushes. So this Kala Kala is, of course, as if you're using charcoal activated any tooth powder with charcoal, your brush is going to look like this. So this I use. I love the fact that it's obviously wooden and all of that, and this is also recyclable or biodegradable or whatever it is. But what I find is I prefer very soft bristles. क्योंकि यूजली हमें बताया नहीं जाता है, बट यू नो हमें लगता है कि हम जितने जोर से ब्रश करेंगे, और जितने ब्रिसल्स के बारे में तो हम ज्यादातर लोग नहीं जानते हैं, हमें जो मिल जाता है हम वो यूज कर लेते हैं. बट इट्स डजंट मीन कि आप जितने ज्यादा जोर से ब्रश करेंगे उतनी ज्यादा सफाई होने वाली है. यू हैव टू गो जेंटल ऑन योर टीथ. सो आई फाइंड ब्रिसल्स, आई लव द टूथ ब्रश, बट आई जस्ट फील द ब्रिसल्स आर नॉट as soft as I like them to be. So whenever I use it very gently. Otherwise, I'm using the charcoal toothbrush from Colgate. They have very soft bristles, and it's black in. So the bristles are black in color already. So I don't have to do anything, you know, hide it with anything else. So that's my recommendation for today. Do take care of your health, and I will sincerely advise and suggest flossing as well, which is actually so much more important than a lot of things, because whatever gets stuck between the teeth is what also leads to a lot of problems. So have a happy teeth day and lots of love. And oh, by the way, activated charcoal is known to whiten the teeth, like, you know, so if your teeth are a certain color, it's going to, over a period of time, it's going to firstly maintain that color and not make it, वो और yellow नहीं होंगे. And over a period of time, you will just see, like Natur claims that you know, what do you call it? If you use it over a period of time, it actually lightens the color of your teeth. So have a happy teeth day and lots of love. See you soon.